and welcome to this week's What's Hot at the end of a brutal first quarter. And as lockdown restrictions are eased, we emerge either fit or fat, alcoholics or converts to isotonics, but we all await the reopening of the pub. Now, JDWetherspoon is planning to open 18 new pubs, but only if there are no more COVID restrictions. The company also says it would significantly extend 57 existing pubs as part of the project, which makes sense as we all prepare for alfresco socialising. They've been doing it on the continent for decades, and now good old Blighty has caught up. But the project is the beginning of a 10-year plan, because JDWetherspoon says it plans to open 15 new pubs and enlarge 50 existing pubs each year for 10 years. Now, the result of that 10-year plan would be an additional 20,000 jobs, but the boss of JDWetherspoon says it will only go ahead if there are no further lockdowns or confusion about social distancing. He is playing a game of chess with the UK politicians. And the boss, Tim Martin, has also said that vaccine passports would be the last straw for struggling pubs and force bar staff into a bitter civil liberties war with customers. Meanwhile, Orphan has told investors that the first 3 volunteers taking part in the world's first COVID-19 characterisation study have successfully completed the quarantine phase. A second group will be admitted as part of the clinical assessment to identify the dose required to induce infection. Now, if you fancy leaving the confines of your house for non-recreational purposes and for the good of mankind, you too can sign up to be a volunteer. Just head over to www.ukcovidchallenge.com. Well, you can hear Open Orphan chairman Cahill Friel talk about this and more recent investor updates when he presents at the lse.co.uk Investor Forum on Tuesday, April the 6th from 5:45 p.m. You will also hear presentations from Emerson, Active Energy and Incanterra. Well, finally, UK drug maker GlaxoSmithKline will be part of the manufacturing process for up to 60 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine developed by US rival Novavax. But that has yet to receive regulatory approval. So there you go, the end of the first quarter of 2021. We are talking about the same themes that defined 2020. But I have a feeling that the second quarter that we're entering into, there'll be plenty of other non-COVID related investment themes. I'll see you after Easter. Have a wonderful break.